Hey everybody, welcome back to Child Style. Today I am doing a Father's Day look. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, especially mine. Daddy, happy Father's Day. I love you. So today I'm just going to do a Father's Day look like I said, and if you're interested in watching, just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm going to go into my blood sugar palette and just set my eyes. Alright, so now I'm just going to start to increase. Okay, so now the crease is lifted, shifted, and higher than the ceiling. I am just going to start with the look I want to do. I'm going to go in with this brush again. And go into El Marco. And put that on the inner portion of my lid. Now, this El Malecon shade, plenty of fallout, so if you don't want fallout, stay away from it. Next, we're going to go with this shade and use the dark blue shade. It's called Varadero. I say it's best if you wet it, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna do the other side and then see if it does anything when we wet it on both sides. I'm just going to take a little bit of my Fix Plus. Squeegee a little. And go back out. Well, that did something. Alright, pretty people, this is the finished look. Again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye, pretty people.